On November 6th, we'll hold our annual shareholders meeting. This year, we have some critical measures on the ballot. We have a bold and ambitious plan to drive Tesla's next wave of growth and value creation for you, the owners of the company. To execute on this plan, and to continue to realize extraordinary shareholder value, we need to put in place the adequate incentive structure for our CEO and ensure the stability of our board of directors. The future of Tesla and the future of your investment are in your hands and require you to participate in the shareholder vote. We are counting on you to make your voice heard. You can visit votetesla.com for more information about what's on the ballot and to get more detailed information on how to vote. We understand the shareholder voting process can be confusing, and we're here to help. We made it easy to take action. The 3 fastest ways are: 1. Online, 2. By QR code, or 3. By phone. To vote online, look for an email from your broker. For most shareholders, you can either search your inbox for a message from id@proxyvote.com and follow the instructions in the email, or you can take the shareholder voting materials you received in the mail and locate your control number. For most shareholders, it will be a unique 16-digit number. Visit proxyvote.com to cast your vote. Even easier, most of you can vote by QR code. On those same shareholder voting materials you received by mail, scan the unique QR code provided. Follow the instructions as shown to cast your vote. If you prefer to deal with your so-called smartphone, vote by phone. Find your unique control number on the insert and the shareholder voting materials you received by mail. Call the phone number on the insert to cast your vote. While these instructions apply for most shareholders, please follow the specific instructions you have received. If you have not received voting instructions, please contact your broker. If you need further help voting your shares or you have any questions, please call our proxy solicitor, Innisfree M&A Incorporated. Most shareholders must submit their votes no later than 11:59 p.m. Eastern on November 5th. Other brokers may have an earlier deadline, so vote now. Today, Tesla is at a critical inflection point that has the potential to create continued extraordinary value for you, the shareholders. We have a strong belief that shareholder input is important as we continue to innovate and grow our business. Please do your part to help us accelerate our bold vision for Tesla's future by taking action and voting today.